Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Y'all seen I put up my poll last night to let me know what soda y'all thought that I was going to drink today. I did Dr. Pepper, I did Sprite, I did Starry, and I did Root Beer. I seen that the most percentage voted Root Beer, and I think that some voted Sprite, okay? But let's see who's right. Start the drum roll. Sorry. So nobody was right. I tricked everybody. Yes, y'all, I'll be drinking a Starry today. Have I ever had a Starry? No. Never had one before. It is a lemon lime soda. Y'all know that I was saying that I wanted to do, what is it called? Sierra Mist versus Sprite. But I could not find a Sierra Mist. But I've seen this Starry, y'all, and it is a lemon lime soda just like Sprite is. So what better comparison to do to Sprite but this? But I want somebody to comment down below. Do y'all know if Starry took over, what is it called? I can't even think of the soda. Took over, Sierra Mist? Somebody let me know that. Because it looks just like the Sierra Mist bottle, but it says Starry. But it's the same shape of like a Pepsi bottle. So I want to know if it's a Pepsi product. So somebody research that for me and comment that down below. And let your girl know if that is a Pepsi product or not. Let me move y'all in. All right, let's get up close and personal with this Starry, y'all, okay? Half of my bun is cut off, y'all, but it is okay. We here today. Let's get it started. All right. Let me open it up so y'all can hear it. Okay. Did y'all hear that? All right, y'all. Cheers. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh. Excuse me. You know what, y'all? What's crazy is, y'all not to say my mama some of this, okay? Because she is a bona fide Sprite person. Back in the day, y'all, Sprite was her favorite soda. And I promise y'all, this tastes like the original Sprite. Look at me like they done changed the recipe or what. But I promise, let me taste it again. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. This right here reminds me of the original Sprite. Y'all, this is actually good to start, okay? Let me find out. And I keep on looking at it, y'all, because I'm trying to see what it says. But I promise y'all, if this right here is a Pepsi product, they literally, somebody that work at Pepsi now used to work at Coke, okay? I promise y'all that. And they done took that Sprite recipe from Coke and brought it right over here. Y'all, this right here tastes like the old school Sprites from back in the day, from like the 90s. Wow. Now, oh, excuse me. Woo! What I'm going to have to do now is find me a Sierra Mist. Because now I want to compare this to a Sierra Mist. Because have I had a Sierra Mist? No. I've never had a Sierra Mist before, y'all. Never. So I want to compare this to a Sierra Mist. Because I want to see if this right here tastes like Sierra Mist more or tastes like Sprite more. But I'm telling Excuse me. But I'm telling y'all, to me, it tastes like the old school Sprite. And the only reason why I never had the Sierra Mist is because it was like, what was the point of getting Sierra Mist? I know that's so disrespectful. If y'all if y'all are Sierra Mist lovers, y'all, I'm sorry to whoever I offend, okay? But Sierra Mist to me was like the knockoff version of a Sprite. So it was like, why go get Sierra Mist if I can get a Sprite? So I never had Sierra Mist before. So I don't even know if it tastes like Sierra Mist or not. But if y'all have had it, comment down below and let your girl know if this Starry tastes like a Sierra Mist or tastes like a Sprite to you. Because I want to know. But y'all, it is good. And it's not too sweet. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, it's not too sweet at all. How many grams of sugar? 65 grams of sugar, 65 grams of carbs. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. For a 20-ounce soda, that's not bad. What's the, what does it say? Yeah, serving size is 1 bottle. That's not bad. Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all do me a favor. Comment down below how your Christmas was. If you want to, excuse me, if you want to tell me what you got for Christmas, you can comment that down below too. Because your girl love talking and interacting with y'all. I promise y'all I do. And also, can y'all please do your girl a favor and start liking videos? Please, okay? I see that I have more subscribers now, and I truly appreciate y'all. But I just need y'all to start liking videos too. What was that? That's not even a heart. I need y'all to start liking videos too. Okay? Do your girl a favor and like them videos. If you have laughed at the video, or if you find the video entertaining, like them videos. Ooh. Woo. I tell you what, she a strong one. She is a strong one for real. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was in the middle of conversation. What was I saying? Yes, y'all. Please like the video so that I can continue to bring y'all out good content, okay? And plus, y'all, that helps me get in the algorithm for everybody else on YouTube to see my videos, okay? Liking the videos, watching the videos, that helps me get in the algorithm. Y'all, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all and be honest with y'all, okay? I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing for y'all, all right? So please start liking the video, okay? That's the last time I'm gonna say it. Woo! Excuse me. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna take one more sip because I want to save my mom some. And then I